Hi everyone, welcome to my kitchen. I'm Melissa. Today I'm going to show you guys how to cook sticky rice without bamboo basket. How to make it? Let's get started. Add the rice into the bowl and turn on the cold water into the rice and rinsing the rice for 2 times. Turn on the water into the rice and soaking the rice for 4 hours or up to 10 hours. After 4 hours, I'm going to draining the water out and rinsing the rice 1 time and remove the rice into the strainer and set aside. My trick is make the hole into the center of rice, helping the rice cook faster. Turn on the heat to medium-high heat and add water into the pot. Continue boiling the water for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, the water starts bubbling, then put the strainer over the pot and cover the lid on. Continue cooking for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, the rice is ready to flipping. You can use the spatula to flipping the rice, but my strainer is too small, so I transfer the rice into the bowl for flipping the rice and remove it into the strainer. Continue cooking for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, the rice is ready to serve. I'm going to transfer the rice into the tray. To flip the rice, remove the streamer out of the rice. After that, keep the rice into the bamboo container, sandwich bag. If you can finish the sticky rice, you can keep in the fridge for 3 more days. After that, when you want to eat it again, put it in the microwave 1 minute 10 seconds and sticky rice will ready to serve. Thank you for you guys to watching my video. See you guys next time. Bye.